So friends, let's see today's delicious cake recipe which gets ready in no time. Now here I have 3 eggs. So I'm just going to whisk the eggs really well. Now you could use an electric whisk too, but you can use this regular whisk as well. So just whisk the 3 eggs really well. Next I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. This makes the cake really moist and you don't get that dryish kind of texture. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can also add vanilla extract. Mix in this vanilla too. And now you have 3/4 cup of butter, which is at room temperature. You could also melt the butter just a little and add it. And now I'm going to mix all of these ingredients really well together. So these are our wet ingredients. So mix this really well till you get a nice smooth batter without any lumps like this. Now I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. You could also use icing sugar. So now we have our wet ingredients ready. Now let's work on the dry ingredients, which are just 2 ingredients. So here I have 1 and 1/4 cup of flour. To that I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now this would be a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Now mix the baking powder into the flour really well. And now we're just going to add these dry ingredients a little at a time to the wet ingredients and just fold it in using a spatula like this. Use the cut and fold method. That way you'll get a lovely light and spongy cake. And now I've just lined my baking tin with some parchment paper and I've just poured the batter into it. Just going to smoothen it out a bit. And then we're going to bake this for at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And look how beautiful the cake has come. Now let it cool to room temperature and then you're just going to cut it up into whatever slices you want. Now you can insert the knife and just do the test whether it's ready. And you saw that my knife has come out completely clean. So this is a lovely tea time snack. We can have it with a lovely cup of tea or coffee. And I've just cut it up into smaller pieces like this. And I'll just show you the texture. It's so amazing. And it's really nice and soft and spongy. So I hope you do give this recipe a try. If you really feel like just having a plain cake without any icing or any, no big hassle of preparing this cake, this is the ideal cake to go to. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.